Water is wasted with every flush of the toilet, but new technology in the bathroom is working to help the environment and your wallet. ONN's Harrison Hove explains how in this morning's Green Ohio.
Tucked away in a quiet Columbus neighborhood, you'll find Corey and Joanna Andres' new home.
It's neat to see it go from our head, to paper, and then finally to be walking and living in the place that we've been thinking about.
The couple incorporated the environment into their vision and enlisted custom home builder Caputo Construction to help.
It's a matter of supply and demand. There seems to be a larger demand for that kind of thing coming around.
A demand so high, Aaron Gaynor created a business around it. This green plumber outfitted the new home with water-saving toilets.
A dual flush toilet is basically your conventional 1.6 gallon flush with a 0.8 gallon flush as an option for number 1 and number 2 use to reduce your water use.
Gaynor also equipped the home with low-flow shower heads and a tankless tank water heater.
It's a good way to reduce your energy use, and it gives you hot water as you need it and endless hot water.
There's even more business coming from older homes.
There's a big push in retrofitting existing homes and updating existing homes in the plumbing industry.
So with all this new and affordable green plumbing technology,
you don't have to change a habit to have it, save you money and help the environment at the same time.
In Franklin County for Green Ohio, Harrison Hove, the Ohio News Network.